Peppers Entertainment Television. Turn on the heat.
இன்னைக்கு வந்து லைட்ஸ் தேவையே இல்லை. ஏன்னா நம்ம கெஸ்ட்க்கு வந்து her smile is like a 1000-watt light. அவங்களோட eyes வந்து like two twinkling stars. S for superb, S for style, S for sweet, S for Samantha. வணக்கம், வெல்கம். எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? அப்பா கொஞ்சம் ஓவர் ஆயிட்டா. Okay, first of all, welcome to the show. First of all,
thank you.
Dream girl வந்து கான்செப்ட் கேட்டிருக்கேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் லைஃப்ல ட்ரீம் கேர்ள் பாக்குறேன் ஆக்சுவலா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் இது வந்து உங்க ட்ரீம் ரன் இருக்கு சமாந்தா. அஞ்சான் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய படம் இருக்கு, ஒரு ட்ரீமான ஒரு படம் மாதிரி இருக்கு. டெல் மீ ஹவ் தி எக்ஸைட்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் அஞ்சான் ரிலீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு? அவ்வளோ ஹைப், அவ்வளோ டாக், அவ்வளோ ஒரு ப்ரெஷர் எப்படி இருக்கு?
இந்த வருஷம் எனக்கு ஒரு ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு வருஷம். ஏன்னா ஆஃப்டர் லாங் டைம் நான் வந்து லைக் 3 big films, big stars, big directors, and the start is Anjan. So very nervous. ஏன்னா it's important, acceptance is important. So
accept already பண்ணிட்டாங்க, that is no doubt about it. but Samantha வந்து ஒரு ட்ரீம் கேர்ள், ஒரு 100 பாய்ஸ்க்கு வால்பேப்பர் போஸ்டரா இருக்கும். so acceptance இருக்கு. ஆனா as an actress வந்து என்ன ஒரு எனர்ஜி இருக்கு இந்த மூவி, என்ன ஒரு ஸ்டேக்ஸ்ல இருக்கு இந்த மூவி?
It was இந்த படம் சைன் பண்ணது பெரிய காரணம் definitely லிங்குசாமி sir, because actually this is a mass entertainer, but at the same time அவரோட முன்னாடி படங்கள்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரன், சண்டைக்கோழி, ஒரு ஹீரோனுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ரோல் கிடைக்கும்.
even பையா for that matter.
ஆமா, for that matter, you know, they might not be throughout the film, but definitely the character will register.
Correct.
And the audience will remember it. So அதே மாதிரி இந்த படத்துலயும் he has given me a very cute character, Jeeva. So I am extremely happy and thankful to him for it. I think that the film has come out really well. It looks really good, so I'm happy.
Maybe you worked with Gautam Vasudev Menon sir, you worked with Rajamouli sir. What is so special? லிங்குசாமி sir வந்து என்ன ஸ்பெஷலா இருக்கு, கத்துக்கணும்க்கு என்ன விஷயம் இருக்கு?
That he is extremely calm and composed under the worst of circumstances. I have never seen
no shouting, yelling, டேய் என்னடா பண்ற, டைம் வேஸ்ட் ஆகுது, காசு வேஸ்ட் ஆகுது.
என்ன பிரச்சனை வந்தாலும் அவர் வந்து சிரிச்சிட்டே இருப்பாரு. I remember கோவால வந்து சாங் ஷூட் பண்ணும்போது ஆர்ட் டைரக்டர் ஒரு பெரிய செட் ரெடி பண்ணாரு and put it on the shore, and அல வந்து எல்லாம் தூக்கிட்டு போயிடுச்சு.
ஐயோ.
And he is also the producer of the film, so he's like
காசு போச்சு மச்சான்.
So he just laughed and said, "Hey Raju, and போயிடுச்சா?" That's all he said for you know such a big set getting washed away.
Time போயிடுச்சு, காசு போயிடுச்சு, planning வந்து got screwed up.
என்ன ராஜு போயிடுச்சா? That's all he said, which is great. That's how he is. Even under the adverse circumstances, he's never ever angry or frustrated. He's always positive.
Correct.
And beaming with energy. So
அது வந்து நல்ல விஷயம். for the entire team gets motivated with a captain like this.
அதனால தான் I think that you know going to Anjan was going for a holiday, and so எனக்கு வந்து all the more attachment இந்த படம் ஹிட் ஆகணும், ஜனங்களுக்கு பிடிக்கணும் and சொல்லிட்டு all the more attachment.
what a wonderful life இருக்கு, நல்ல காஸ்டியூம்ஸ் இருக்கு, ஹாலிடேன்னு சொல்றீங்க, நல்ல காசு வருது, டான்ஸ் பண்றீங்க, என்ஜாய் பண்றீங்க. it's a dream life தானே உங்களுக்கு?
Oh my god, no, it's not a dream life, not at all a dream life. That sometimes இந்த மாதிரி கிடைக்கும், ஆனா it is a very difficult
hard work
job.
நிறைய இருக்கு.
It's every day you get reviewed, every day you get questioned, every day you get bad things written about you. So I think that this job has its fair share of good
ups and downs நிறைய இருக்கு. ஆனா மக்கள் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்றாங்க சமாந்தா, எங்க போறீங்க நீங்க வந்து ரொம்ப வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் தான் வரீங்க, you are not staying in Chennai. தமிழ்
வாய்ப்பு கொடுக்கணும் எனக்கு இந்த
இது எப்படி எவ்வளவு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு? ஏன்னா very busy in Telugu as well, so எப்படி பேலன்ஸ் பண்றீங்க the Telugu and the Tamil scene?
It is difficult, but I'm kind of going in a groove. எனக்கு this year தான் எனக்கு I think நீதானே பொன் வசந்த் கௌதம் சாருக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா அந்த படத்துக்கு அப்புறம் தான் I think லிங்குசாமி சார் and முருகதாஸ் சார் ஸ்ட்ராங்கான
ஒரு கேரக்டர் இருந்தது, fantastic scope for acting in
so அந்த படம் பார்த்த பிறகு தான் எனக்கு வந்தது. So I am very grateful again. Gautam sir gave me my life in Telugu, and he seems to have given me my redemption in Tamil as well.
Tell me now, working on Anjan itself, tell me the good memories that you have. எங்க ஷூட் பண்ணீங்க? How was it working with Surya? Surya வந்து very handsome ஆன ஒரு man, this time even more handsome, very stylish. Tell me about Surya. Tell me about
it. Was great. See, because again I've been born and brought up in Chennai, and I've studied here, and I've grown up watching these superstars films, and it is a very big deal for a Chennai girl to act along superstars like Surya and Vijay.
You get cursed by so many girls. Parya, evlo lucky irukanga Samantha.
I'm sure. So it was a great experience working with him. His off-screen persona is that he's a gentleman, he's a professional, and I can vouch the fact that he is exactly all these things. He's an absolute perfectionist and absolute professional to work with. I would love to work with him again because he's just fabulous on set, and I think even
I'm sure he'll also say the same thing. I would love to work with Samantha again. Very professional, very proper, very perfect.
I think any director, even after working with him, would definitely want to work with him again because he just brings so much to the table. He has no tantrums, no star tantrums.
Super.
I think
and I think that's something you have also learned from him. No star tantrums, ரொம்ப humble ஆக்கீங்க. You're always smiling, no matter what people do, no matter how much time we take, நீங்க வந்து always smiling ஆக்கீங்க. Okay, and tell me, during the entire journey of shooting, என்ன memorable ஆன scenes இருந்தது, memorable ஆன moments இருந்தது that you will take back from Anjan?
I think more off-screen moments because it was like I got along well with Santosh sir and Surya sir and Lingusamy sir. So it's definitely memorable, the entire experience, especially since we shot in Mumbai. For most of the film we shot in Mumbai, and the scenes are really good, and also the entire team. So all in all, everything was such a feel-good. It had a feel-good aspect to it, and so I really hope that it also translates on screen, and the audience are also influenced by the happiness that we
Definitely,
did.
Anjan seems to be a very special movie, not only for people who love Tamil cinema, also for Surya fans, for your fans who are many, many more. We'll take a small kutiana break, Samantha. Break up one of the other movies that you've done, the mistakes that you've done, your good habits, your bad habits, your personal side. And tell me one thing, Samantha, you're a very, very young girl. In the வயசுல வந்து fame இருக்கு, work இருக்கு, pressure இருக்கு, adulation இருக்கு, fans இருக்கு. What do you miss? ஏன்னா ஒரு young girl like you வந்து அவங்க லைஃப்ல வந்து Facebook போனோம், காஃபி போனோம், டிரைவ்ஸ் போனோம், first boyfriend வந்தோட டேட் போனோம். இந்த வயசுல வந்து different things happen in your life.
I don't think I miss anything because
romancing Surya வந்து on screen அதே வந்து பெரிய விஷயம்.
Everything ends at 6 o'clock for me. Work ends at 6 o'clock, and after that my life is very, very normal, including cleaning dog poop is also that kind of normal. So
off camera வந்து the simple girl.
I am extremely normal, so I don't think I miss out on anything. I have the best of both worlds, I guess.
Correct, definitely. Very, very lucky ஆன ஒரு girl da. Let's go to the Telugu film industry also. அது வந்து நல்லா பேலன்ஸ் பண்ணீங்க. அங்க வந்து நிறைய success இருக்கு, big movies இருக்கு. What's the difference there actually? Telugu and Tamil வந்து besides geography, where in a style of
besides geography, there's no if I must say difference, there is difference from film to film.
Correct,
you know? So other than every film is very different, every unit is very different, every director is very different. So I wouldn't say that there is a difference between Telugu and Tamil, but there's a difference between film to film in both industries. So
when you started off the films a long time back, when you came as a young girl in movies like Moscow and Kaveri, Bana Katadi, at the time what was your aim, ambition, and did you expect to come this far?
See, I knew I was hardworking, but I never expected to come this far. My life has been like a mixture of equal amounts of luck and equal amount of hard work. Luck is very, very important in this industry because it's not like any other industry where it's like a ladder and you go step by step.
Overnight, you go here, then you go, then the money format.
Overnight you become a superstar, and it depends upon you how you hold it together and how you keep it going. So I think that overnight with my first release was EMI Chesave, it just propelled me to stardom, and I think it's been a dream run ever since.
ஆனா இந்த ஒரு ஜர்னில வந்து which are your turning points? ஏன்னா ஒவ்வொரு actors லைஃப்ல வந்து turning points ரொம்ப முக்கியமா, ஒரு ரோல், ஒரு லெசன், ஒரு சீன், all these things are very, very important. So என்ன உங்க லைஃப்ல was a big turning point for you?
My biggest turning point was EMI Chesave.
That was huge. ஆமா.
The second
லைஃப் வந்து அப்படியே போயிடுச்சு.
The second turning point was my decision to choose directors and not stars. So I always went looking for directors. I never went looking for stars. When to sign Ega and Nani, there was a choice between two superstars or doing a film like Nani.
என்ன சாய்ஸ் இருந்தது நீங்க சொல்வீங்களா சொல்ல மாட்டீங்களா?
No, I cannot say that. But it was a choice between doing a mass film or doing
a quality different on a subject,
which was going to pay me much lesser, as well as which was uncertain. Success was uncertain because it's still it's a very experimental film. So I think my decision to pick up Nani and
Over
leave
those mass
over those
movies,
two
ஆமா.
mass films would be one of the
bravest decision, smartest decision சொல்லாம
maybe not smart but brave maybe.
லிங்குசாமி சார் சொன்னாங்க she's a very bubbly girl on the set, ஆனா full time பாத்தீங்கன்னா she'll be studying, rehearsing, internal வந்து ரொம்ப intense-ஆ இருப்பாங்க.
I like to be good at what I do. I like to work harder. I don't like to leave anything to luck or fate. Whatever I can do best, I do.
That you're doing your work extremely nicely. நீங்க ஸ்மைல் பண்ணுங்க. அதே வந்து ஒரு half the work is done. We take a small குட்டியான break. அது break அப்புறம் வந்து we talk about your future plans, personal side, your good habits, your நிறைய bad habits. We discuss all this and much more. Now tell me, 5 years later, 10 years later, when I talk to you about Anjan, என்ன ஞாபகமா வைப்பீங்க? What are the 3-4 scenes, 3-4 moments, 3-4
I don't think
lines?
it will be about the scenes. It will be about the
entire experience,
the team.
ஆமா.
It will be about the people I worked with Anjan, Santosh Shivan, Lingasamy sir, and Surya sir, and the ADs and the writers. It would be about all of them that they made 3-4 months of my life extremely happy and enjoyable.
What are the future plans coming up? We know Katti is coming up. That's
Katti
really
is,
strong and sharp.
Pathendradhukulla with Vikram and Vijay Milton. Taking it a little bit slow. I want good roles, good characters. So that's it for this year.
Okay, and the next year one is going to be even more brighter, even more better.
Hopefully.
And we'll go to the personal side for the last few minutes on us as well. We know Samantha, the actress, வந்து ரொம்ப lively, ரொம்ப energetic, very successful, very sincere. And Samantha, the person, வந்து எவ்வளவு different இருக்காங்க. Tell me 3 things about you that people don't know. Don't tell phone number. The phone lines will get jammed. அது தவிர வந்து tell us.
3 things about me, that I'm a home bird. I don't like going out very much. I love staying at home and watching documentaries.
So not the partying every Saturday night when we hit the disc and go mad.
I cannot stand screaming above the volume of the music and talking. I'd rather
I had to reduce my volume because everybody says Rajiv full time kattare Rajiv. Okay, that is one thing.
I prefer lunches or dinners.
Quiet movies with friends, family. Okay.
Family, for me, family is my most important bond.
Very nice.
They are like they are my best friends as well as family, all put together
Best
in
critics
one.
also. Yeah?
Best critics also.
Yeah.
No, actually, I am my best critic. That's the third. I think that it's very difficult. I think even like the harshest reviewers would review me better, but I would still criticize my performance or my look. So I'm very harsh.
Which is your worst performance till date? பார்த்துட்டு நீங்க சொன்னீங்க, oh my god, அது வந்து திருப்பி பண்ணா நான் ரொம்ப பெட்டரா பண்ணிருப்பேன். We want the answer from you. Worst performance of Samantha.
Worst performance, is it?
Lingusamy sir இருக்காங்க, you cannot even mention.
No. My worst performance.
இது வந்து rapid fire round, it is not rapid water round.
Oh gosh, okay. My worst
performance, quickly.
Has to be my first film, Moscow and Kaveri.
Moscow and Kaveri you think was not very good. Okay. என்ன ஒரு performance நீங்க ஒரு வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்தாக்கா you'd like to do it once again? Favorite ஆன ஒரு role?
Yemaya Chesave.
One thing that you don't know at all. ஒரு விஷயம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது.
I don't know cooking.
என்ன ஒரு விஷயம் கத்துக்கணும் ஆசைப்படுறீங்க?
Cooking.
Oh, okay. When I say Surya, what comes to your mind?
Gentleman.
Vijay.
Superstar.
Vikram.
Great actor.
Lingusamy.
Anushka.
Okay. We'll go on with the next. You distracted me. Okay. Tamanna.
Tamanna.
Yeah.
Great dancer.
The most overrated actor.
Actor.
Yeah. ரொம்ப நல்லா சொல்றாங்க, நான் அவ்வளவு நல்லா இல்ல.
What, in India?
No, Tamil film industry. You're safe.
No.
Okay, we'll stop with that. Thank you so much, Samantha. You've given us a lot of wonderful answers. You gave us a wonderful smile. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for 2014, for Anjan and much more. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you very much.